Well, this is a first for me. I have never in my life encountered this. That's a doorbell. That's the solenoid that goes, strikes the plate. It's still warm. I don't know why the transformer didn't burn out. Here's the transformer right here. I don't know why that thing did not burn out. That's insane. Okay, so I took the cover off, and you can see where it melted right through the bottom of that thing. The solenoid was up in there, and it would fire this thing right here. That's what makes it go ding. But man, I ain't never seen that. Made in China. Woo! 16 volts. Would you have thought 16 volts would produce enough heat to make that hole? Huh.